Hello, what's up guys? This is a Fit2 Eyes. This is a TV stand that you can use to watch entertainment, and it comes in a heavy box, and it's helpful for entertainment and relaxation uses. TV stand that you can install. Currently has a 55-inch screen on it. Very good quality, very well designed, very easy to assemble as well, and very affordable. Thank you. Heyo, this TV stand has a great height for watching, and it's also great quality. It's so durable and well made.